We'll start off with this chap. Now, I haven't got a hope of pronouncing it correctly, so I've written it down. I'm not even going to try. A fortune cat, or a lucky cat. Should be bringing me good luck. I think it needs new batteries. The arm is moving, but I think that's because I've just knocked it. It cost me 95p in Blue Cross. Try and get that label off. It's not solar powered, it is battery powered. Oh, phone's ringing. There's 5 screws, there's 4 screws there, and then there was an extra little one at the back there. So that's the battery compartment. Shining a torch in there, we can see the arm is a bayonet fit on that white plastic. If we could undo that, then we can get it off easily. I don't think it's glued, I think it's just a good tight fit. Oh, there we are, we can see the bayonet fit now. Oh, there we go. Just ease that a little bit further. Arms off. Right, now the rest of it should come out easily. There we are. Brilliant. So, arm fits on there, bayonet fit. That looks like they can actually adjust it. We turn in that nut to adjust the balance. And we've just got a magnet, coil, and then black blob circuit board. I would say almost identical to all those solar rockers. And instead of these wires going away to the battery, on a solar rocker they'd go away to a solar panel. There might be a little bit of circuitry in there to help generate enough power from a solar panel. You can see this one's running quite happily off the batteries. Right, well I'll put it back together now that I know that's how to get it off. Yeah, so there we go, inside a fortune cat. So the truth is, I didn't need to undo the 4 screws that hold the base onto here. That was unnecessary. It was just the one little screw at the back and those 2 little clips. So I've screwed the assembly back onto the base. That's going to go up in there. He says confidently. Yep. Back in place. I've still got one little screw to go in there. So that was the only screw we needed to undo. Well, that's quieter now than it was before. Which is good, because it was annoyingly loud just now. I expect what I've done is I've just realigned the pivot points by luck, not by judgment. Brilliant. It still works after I've taken it apart and put it back together.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.